KMCers. I'm Kiersten.
I'm Chris.
And today we're going to be testing out a brand new vacuum that we purchased. So let's just test it out. Vacuum that we've had for maybe 5 to 7 years, something like that. We've had this vacuum for a really long time. And it has just decided to crap out on us and it doesn't work anymore. So the other day I ordered a new vacuum that should be coming in the mail tomorrow. So of course I will unbox that when I get it. But the reason why I had to order a new vacuum is because of the fact that I can't do laundry right now. And I'll show you why. But the other day I washed one of the dog beds, and the dog bed, for some weird reason, when you wash it and dry it, it leaves behind these little black specks of things. So my wash machine, I re-washed it, like with nothing in it, to see if it would wash out all that stuff, and it did. But my dryer, I can't do that with. So my dryer, I have to vacuum out the little black things. And of course my vacuum's broken, so I had to go ahead and order a new vacuum. So I'm gonna show you what our dryer has in it, and like, don't understand why this bed does this. So right now my laundry is on hold until I can get a vacuum to clean out my dryer, so that way I have my dryer to do laundry. So here's the vacuum that I've had forever. It's a Bissell pet friendly Power Force Flex. Really loved this vacuum. It worked for many years, but it crapped out on it. So you see all these black things? They're everywhere in here. They're even inside this. So this has to get cleaned out as well. But these little black things. There you go. There's a close up. Our package. So that's gross. So this is what I got. A little stick of the vacuum. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and see all of the attachments and everything and get it. Okay, so the box lays the other way. A quick start guide on the flap of the box. So it looks like we have the manual, which is great. Looks like we have a brush attachment. Yeah, this is what we got. A couple things up there. Yeah, okay. So we got a brush attachment. Have the little narrow, and along with a hook and a brush for like, there it is, part of it. It's a purple vacuum. I'm assuming the battery, little cord. So we're gonna unbox this part. Is the little vacuum. Assuming this is the mount, because it's got some screws in there and stuff. So I'm assuming this is the mount part, main part, the canister part, and the button, and yeah. So have a couple of filters. Everything that's in the box. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it together and show you guys what the final product looks like. I got the majority of it together. Looks like this, or whatever. Looks like this right now. This piece, I can connect any of these extra things to. So if I want the brush, I can connect the brush part. Oh, did not mean to push that, but this is the main one to use. So, looks like this. It's cool. Taller or whatever. Just pull that out, and now it's so much longer. Okay, those little black dots, kind of all along. And there's also gross stuff in there, if you can see it, and it's also on the floor. So we're gonna go ahead and test it out. This is the before. Alright, so I did put my little attachment on like this part instead of that like stick in between. But I'm gonna go ahead and try it out. I only have 43 on this charge, so we're just gonna see how far I can get with this, and then I'll just show you what I did. The dogs are driving me crazy, but anyways, let's just go ahead and I don't know if you could see that, but it did catch some. Yeah, honestly. So I started at 40 charge, and I have 39 charge left. And I'll show you the finished product. Not bad. Okay, so it pretty much, there's like some left. Like, there's a little there. But honestly, it got majority of it. And I mean, if I keep at this, I could probably get the rest. But here's the hole. My little lint trap. It is so much cleaner than it was. So, yeah.
We're gonna clean our bathroom mat first.
So this is what it kind of looks like. There's some mess. So, we're gonna see how well it does. This is what it looks like before. I think that is stains.
Probably.
But yeah, looks a little bit cleaner. So we're gonna test out this attachment. We took the long stick off. I'm gonna test it out on Moose's dog bed. Okay, here's Moose's dog bed. He's perfect one because you can actually see all of his disgusting fur. And so much so that it's also on our bed. So we're gonna test it out on these two things and see if it works. Locked and loaded. Looks a lot better. Did it get every single speck in hair? No, but it ain't gonna. Okay, we're gonna try it on the bed. Look at all that. Okay, babe, go ahead. Miss, you're in the shot. I think it works. Oh yeah, I can see that.
Now on by the couch.
We're gonna clean the couch. Just gonna show you this part. So this is before. You can kind of see some dog hair. There's some stuff up there. There's the after. It worked really good on the couch.
Cleaning the car.
Okay, there's some of this. Some of that. Got some dirt everywhere and sticks and stones. And... yeah, let's try it. There's a bunch of dog hair in the back of our car, so we're gonna try to get some of this up. Okay, we're gonna try this long attachment with the cup holders. Here's the before. Some dirt.
Ready?
What are we doing?
Vacuum up some dirt.
Okay, here's our little crumb mess. Honestly, I don't think that's that bad. It actually was really easy to use. It wasn't even like that super heavy or whatever you want to call it. Honestly, I think it did a good job. I'm gonna keep at this for a little bit longer and see how much more I can get. But I like this little vacuum. So far, so good. So I think that this vacuum is pretty good. I like all the different attachments. I like how it can be something small, but yeah, something that we need for bigger. I like it. Alrighty guys, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below, like, I don't know, what vacuum you have.
Hit the big red button that says subscribe. And the little bell next to it.
So you're notified when we post every Friday and Tuesday. This is KMCers Whatever, and we will see you in the next video. Bye guys.